welcome back to your girl Brittany. We are going to reveal group 3 of the embellishment box swap. If you by chance have missed out on groups 1 and 2, no worries. That link to the videos will be down below in the description box. So starting us off here, we have Brenda, and you can find her on Instagram at live.lovecraft, and this is how her packaging comes. And she does have them personalized. So there's cool little swap information. She has what the swap name is, what the group was, and then her swap partner. So that's very cool. I've seen people do that before. And it says Crafty is happiness. And then it looks super, super pretty. And on here, we have the Handmade with Love with Brenda. I don't want to open these up because there's so much going on and I don't want to mess these up. So hopefully she'll have a reveal on her Instagram, so that way she can show you guys. But stay tuned so we can check out the next person. Next up, we have Brandy, and you can find Brandy here on YouTube at Crafty Formations, and this is how her packages come. These little girls are so stinking cute. I love it, and it's pink and mint. You know I love that. I'm not going to show you the back because it does have her personal info. Let me cover this up. So this is what's in the back of it, but we get to take a closer look because she did make one for me. Alright, so this is the one that she made for me, and on the back of her card, which I'm not going to show you the front, it has the swap information. This is hosted through Coffee Cake and Crafting, and she is group 3. And we'll go ahead and we'll go through the embellishment box in a second. And in here, I love these bags. She has included some crepe paper rosettes. Super pretty, and we have it in the black, gold, and white. So thank you so much for that. Saves me from making some more. And then she's also gifted some really pretty trim in like the, looks kind of orange. I don't know if it's my lighting, but it looks like kind of like that blood red orange. So not really orange, but not really red either. But really pretty trims in the color there. And then she's also gifted these little puffy stick, not puffy, but dimensional stickers. They're from Fun Stamper's Journey. So really cute. It says you and me and then smile on there. So thank you for the additional goodies. You're super sweet. And then this is how her book comes. As a reminder, they're supposed to make the embellishment book booklet that I had created, the 2.0 version, and I'll have a link to that video down below for you. So she has this cute little girl popped up on Dimension. She did some fun little like a tear guide, I think, on the edge here. It's really cool. And she did some layering with some of her paper collection there. It says the time of my life. She has a little die cut in the back and then some pearls up there in the corner. And she did some stitching all the way around. And then she has it a Velcro closure. So then when you open it up here, she did one of those Target pockets. And she had included some cut up hearts. So dream big. Life is a gift. Have this cute little floral one here and a tag. And then on this side, she decorated as well. It says follow your own path. The cute little butterfly here and then some pearls. And again, and she also did a little zigzag stitch here as well. And hers has the thumb notch pull here at the bottom. So we go ahead and pull her out. And this is what her embellishment box looks like. It looks like she did a belly band. Yeah, she did a belly band and it says this and that. And then it has like this, I think this is a foam sticker, or it's like a painted wooden veneer of a butterfly. So really, really nice. Let me go ahead and figure out how this opens. Oh, is it a Velcro or, I'm not sure, but that's just how I'm opening it. Alright, so inside of her embellishment box, we have these cute little crocheted pieces. Look at them, they're so cute. Adorable. I didn't know you crocheted. So really cute. And then also I love how she pulled the colors from the collection. I told them to make sure that they are cohesive with what they're doing. And then here she did some little the little jute twine or baker's thread bows, and she has them in the pink and the green. She's also made some eraser. Oh, look look at these cuties. Some eraser charms. Look at, is that a little pig? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And you have an egg, we have a little chickie, we have a bunny here. Oh my goodness, look at that face. How cute. We have a little chick here, so thank you so much. It's so adorable. And then she added some beads here. And then here she did some little ticket embellishment. She added the baker's twine there and then did some stapling with hearts. I love that. These are so stinking cute. And then for her next handmade embellishment here, she did some little envelopes. So this is a cute die. And then it still opens up and everything. You can have put a little message in there. Get out. That is a cute die. And then she just did various papers from the collection. And then she added these AliExpress bows. I love these bows. So thank you for that. And then she has some beads over here. Oh, she even did a charm. Aww. Little dangle with the little bunny eraser charm. And then she has a little pearl. We have a flower here. Little pink bead. How cute is that? Adorable. And then she has some flat back pearls. There's some buttons in here. I've already told you guys I've been getting in a button kick. So these are awesome. And I love these. These are so cute. These flower ones. And look at these itty weedy teeny little flat backs. I haven't seen them in this color. I was told these are table scatters that you got in the wedding section. But I wonder if there's somewhere else you can get them. Because I have not seen them at Hobby Lobby. So very cute. Here she did a clothespin where she wrapped sample of some yarn there. And then she has some pink pom-pom trim. And then we have some bling and buttons escaping. And then in her last little pouch here, she has gifted some paper flowers. Very beautiful spring colors. We have these pinks and peaches and the purple and the yellow. So very, very cute. Absolutely love it. You did a great job, my dear. Thank you so much for participating. And close. And we have one more. And last but not least, we have Adrienne, who is Shades of Crafty by Adrienne here on YouTube. And this is how her packages come. She does have them personalized. And is so weird because I had to look really close. I'm like, oh my goodness, this entire group, well, excluding Adrienne, like there's B, and then me, B. So it's like I had to look really, really close. So hopefully I'll get these in your packages accordingly. Then she's also included some goodies here as well. She has the name of the swap and this cute little tag here that she used with chalk marker, and we get to take a closer look because Adrienne did make one for me. Alright, so this is the one that Adrienne made for me. Mine came wrapped the same way, and here is my tag that she had did for me. And included this is cute. Look at these colors. It is a pen holder with pen. Ooh. So I think it's one of those like you wrap it around your notebook, so then you put the pen in, so you always have your pen there. Super cute. And then she also gifted some sequin mix that goes really well with the collection. Beautiful collection that she used. Look how pretty. And then this pretty flower that she had stickled, popped up on dimension. She put love builds a happy home with a little heart there. And then such pretty paper. Look at that. And then, again, Shades of Crafty by Adrienne. So cute. And then this beautiful lace that she put as her closure. So then when it opens up, she has a pocket here. And she's included some cut-aparts. The best journey takes you home. Home sweet home. And then this one says home. So really pretty. Love the paper. Love this. What paper is this? I don't remember seeing this. Cute, and everything just like so nicely. And then she had the nerve to add a window, girl. Yes. And then she did a ribbon pull for her drawer, so it just comes open like this. Look at that bling bling. Let's go ahead and close her up. And then see the different styles. If you guys have been watching these past few videos, like the different styles and things that you can do with these, with the little booklet holders. And I mean, you don't even have to put an embellishment box in there. It can just be other little goodies. But look at this. Look at all I can see is that bling bling shine. Y'all may not see it, but with the way the sun is hitting it, Lord. And it says my happy place. And then you open her up. Look at this. Oh my goodness. She has these fun little like clocks and gears pieces. I don't have anything like these. This is like that Tim Holtz crafting. And then we have like some little beads here. We got a pom-pom. This is such fun stuff in that little compartment there. And then here she did, excuse me, she did some little ribbon bows. And then we have, I don't think this is a resin piece. Oh no, this is a bead. Oh, it's a bow bead. And then here we have some little, these have a hole in it so you can put it like on a charm or something. So that cool little golden iridescent. That is cool. Or you can use it as confetti. Then she's also included the heart bling. And then she made, y'all know my favorite, some butterflies. She used the collection, super cute. And then she even added just some single pieces by themselves. She has little bling centers. How cute are those? Moving on to the next little compartment, we have some more little fun trinket pieces. Look, isn't that awesome? That's cool. And then here, oh, I just drew a blank. I can't even, was that Victorian? Is that what it is? Don't judge me, y'all. I don't know every single era. But these are really cute. And then she added some beads here. Oh, there goes another little bow bead. I love these. I'm probably going to use those very soon. And then here we have like some more little fun gears and pieces. This will look, oh my gosh, I have an idea for this. Oh my gosh. See, the wheels are turning. And look at this. These are brads, and there's a little lock hole. That is so cool. I like that. And then she included the keys. Get out. I love that. And then we have some more little gear pieces, a little clock face. So that is pretty fancy. All right. And then we have, look, oh, these are cute. I'm not even going to tell you what these remind me of, but we have some little green leaves in here. And then we have these little gold leaves that she punched out as well. I think we have some escape bling. Get out of there. That's not your home. So we have this fun little piece right there. Then we have all the bling. So we have the little flower. These are buttons. Get out. These cute buttons. And then she has a little paper flower in here. Oh, look at the cute little star. Oh my goodness. Then we have another little handmade flower. And then we have some more beads. We have, oh, I didn't know they made them in beads too. These little bows, I have those, but I didn't know they came in like bead format. And then this piece right here, she gave some white pom-pom trim and then some lace trim, and she did a little belly band and added a heart. Very cute presentation. And then this last one, we have some bling. We have one of those little tiny photo frame. I don't know about that baby, but it's a cute little frame. And then we have the bling there. So thank you so much for participating, Adrienne. You are saving grace, and you know why. So make sure you go check out Adrienne at Shades of Crafty by Adrienne. Also check out Brenda, who is Live That Love Craft over on Instagram, and Brandy, who is Crafty Formations here on YouTube. And thank you so much, guys. Make sure you tune in tomorrow for group 4. Until then, guys, bye.